Hello students, now the exercise 3.3 of chapter 3. Question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each points minus 2, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and minus 3, minus 5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Okay, we have to answer this, that in which quadrant, this coordinates lies in which quadrant or on which axis. In which quadrant or on which axis these quadrants lies. And second thing, we have to locate them on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so first we will locate them in Cartesian plane, then we'll see in which quadrant or in which axis these coordinates lie. Let's see the Cartesian plane of question number 1. Okay, the first coordinate given is minus 2, 4. So minus 2 is the abscissa and 4 is the ordinate abscissa from x-axis. So minus 2 and 4. So minus 2 and 4. So we'll give the point A. Minus 2 and 4. So this is the second quadrant. This is the Cartesian plane, first quadrant, second quadrant, and this is the third, and this one is the fourth quadrant. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay. So first coordinate given is minus 2, 4. So minus 2 from x-axis and 4 from y-axis. 4 is positive and minus 2 is negative. Okay, so this is the second quadrant. So the point minus 2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. Now second point is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3 positive and minus 1. So 3 is the abscissa, means from x-axis, and minus 1 from ordinate. So where they are, so they will meet here. 3 minus 1. Point B. 3 minus 1. Okay. So in which quadrant they lies? They lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Positive, negative, which I already explained you in the introduction part. Now third point is minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1 is abscissa. So this is the minus 1 and 0. So they lies on the negative side of x-axis. Okay, negative sides of x-axis, because the ordinate is 0 here. The ordinate is 0 here. So C of minus 1, 0. This is the third point which is given. So the minus 1, 0 lies on the negative side, of the x-axis. Okay, now fourth point is 1, 2. 1 is the abscissa from x-axis, so positive 1 is, and 2. 2 is also positive, and 2 is the ordinate from y-axis. So they will meet here 1, 2. So this is the point D. D of 1, 2. So this is the first quadrant. So the fourth point 1, 2 lies in the first quadrant. Now the fifth point is minus 3, minus 5. Both are minus, means abscissa and ordinate both are minus. So abscissa is minus 3. So minus 3 and minus 5. So they will meet here. Minus 3, minus 5. So after D we will write point E, minus 3, minus 5. And they lies in the third quadrant. Okay. They lies in the third quadrant. So we will write point minus 3 and minus 5 lie in the third quadrant. So you have to write it. This is the Cartesian plane. We locate all the points in the Cartesian plane. So you have to write the first question which asked in the question number 1, that where they lies. So the first point minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4 lies in the second quadrant. Second point minus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 locating in, means lies in the fourth quadrant. And then the third point minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0 lie on the negative side of the x-axis. Now fourth point D, 1, 2. So 1, 2 lies in the first quadrant. Then last one minus 3, minus 5. So minus 3, minus 5 lies in the third quadrant. Okay. So you have to write and you have to locate all these points in your Cartesian plane.